Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a picture with PicsArt. So first thing you have to do here is just add the picture that you want to remove the emoji from, and right after that you just need to take a look on this button features. So you just need to slide the features into the left side until you found the shapes. Whenever you find the shape, go click them. Now you can choose either this or this shape. Since I have these two emojis, so I think I will like to use this. And right after that you need to visit the color part and do the color picker by click this item, and now you just need to drag this point into the closest area with the emoji so that the color could be the same, and drag these shapes into the top side of the emoji. And whenever you're done, go click apply, and now your emoji is already hidden. And the next thing is that I want to show you is how the way we remove the stickers on the picture by the PicsArt. So let's say here I would like to add some stickers on the picture. Let's say I would like to add this. I would like to position them into the specific part, and after that, let's say I accidentally click apply so that this stickers is already becoming one set with the photo. So here, if you want to remove this, you just need to click the stickers back, and right after that you can just go click this X button. Okay, so the next thing that I would like to show you is the way how to remove mask. It's just quite the same. Let's say here we are accidentally adding the mask that we are now regretting that we already add this mask. So to do that, you just need to go click undo, and those masks will be disappear. So that is the way how to remove emoji, stickers, and mask on PicsArt. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.